Got a check payment? Here's how to deposit it into your bank account. You can deposit the check in person at a bank branch, through an ATM, or using a Dropbox. When depositing in person, head to your nearest bank branch. Next, locate the deposit counter and fill the deposit slip. Then, on the back of your check, write your details. Once done, hand over the deposit slip and check to the teller who will verify them. And don't forget to collect your acknowledgement receipt. Here is how you can deposit a check via an ATM. For easy access, you can insert the check into the ATM. Follow the on-screen instructions and complete the deposit. And here is how you can use a Dropbox. To make a quick deposit, you can simply drop the check with the relevant details into a Dropbox at a bank branch or an ATM. Simple, isn't it? That's how you deposit a check in your bank account.